A popular smartphone app is going away. The app Pocket will no longer work later this summer, leaving millions of fans wondering what now. Our consumer technology reporter Jamie Tucker explains what this means and what you can use instead.
We've all run across articles or blog posts online that we don't have time to read at the moment, so we want to save it to read later. And if you haven't used one of these read it later apps, you should give it a try. Now, since 2008, Pocket has been the go-to app, but now it's going away. So what should you use instead? One of the best options is Instapaper, which works much the same way. Find something online you want to save, hit the share button, and select Instapaper. When you're ready to read, open the app, and your most recent saves are right at the top. And what's great is that it works across all your devices: iPhone, tablet, computer, Android. Everything stays synced. You can even save YouTube videos to watch later. Just click the browser extension, and it's in your Instapaper feed. It also cleans up the reading experience, removing ads, sidebars, and clutter. And if you don't have time to read it yourself,
the company announced Thursday that users no longer have to tap
Instapaper can read the article out loud. It works on iPhone, Android, desktop browsers, and even the Kindle, and it's free for unlimited saves. And if you've been using Pocket, there's even a tool where you can export all of those saved items right into Instapaper. It's not only a really good substitute, might even be better. I'm Jamie Tucker, and Instapaper is the app of the day.